Calvin Klein Elegance.
Mermaid edition. That's the start of the video right there.
Yep, creating good hooks at the start of our videos is not our strong point. Today we're at Badewelt Stumm in Tirol, and this is what it looks like inside.
Should we go first to the lake or to the pool?
First up, to the pool.
This pool?
So Ash has just had her 30th birthday and she's on a mission to prove that you can still have fun after 30.
They say you are not fun anymore after 30.
It's not just a kids pool. Let's go and check out the bigger slides, shall we?
Badewelt Stumm is located in the Zillertal Valley and is open daily from May until September from 9 AM until 7 PM. The cost of admission is €9.50 for adults, €6 for kids, and it's a slightly discounted price after 4 PM. There's a separate lane pool for swimming, but we are here to check out the water slides. We're doing the big one first. Make your way to the top of the tower and wait for the green light.
I didn't know that was here, but it says now it's red. Test guy!
The blue and yellow slide is 62 meters long and great fun for the big kids. Or the adults that are pretending to be big kids.
Woohoo! Ah! Oh, it's a lot faster than I thought it would be. Woohoo!
And next up was the trio wide slide. 3 different ways to come down, all pretty much the same. And just like Charlie has his angels, Troy has his mermaids.
3, 2, 1, go! I'm not sure what happened there. Full start!
Best place to film if you want to get kicked in the face? Right here.
There's a few slides, there's a little whirlpool, there's a mushroom. The theme of today is mermaids and elegance. Let's see how our mermaids get on.
Let's go check out the lake.
If you're looking for something a little bit more peaceful, then the lake is for you. But no matter where you choose to sit, the views are incredible. The lake itself offers crystal clear water and it's very well taken care of.
Graceful, like a mermaid. Ow, I landed on my face.
And if the slides weren't enough for you, on the lakeside there's even a couple of diving boards. There's also a small beach volleyball area, a kids football pitch, and an on-site restaurant.
Food is yum, and apparently nuggets are also yum. And you have to pay with cash, not card. You have to pay with cash. Not card. You have
Or cash, as we normally call it.
but cash. Because I want to say card. You have to pay with cash.
I set Asha 2 challenges today. One was to jump in off the small diving board into the lake, and the second one was to dive in to the swimming pool from this board. How do you feel?
Not ready. Was it good?
Asha completed her challenges, and that brings us to the end of our day. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.